ADS-B Out is the next step in aircraft safety. To comply with the ADS-B Out mandate, all aircraft have to be fitted with ADS-B Out in the near future, which is very soon. Fokker Services has developed ADS-B Out solution for a wide variety of aircraft. We can offer a one-stop shop and an integrated solution, from consulting on your hardware needs to engineering of all hardware, documentation and installation support from our specialists. We work with the 3 main vendors of transponders, and if necessary, we can provide a standalone GPS. We offer fast delivery, reliability and the capacity to start your modification program in time to become compliant for the mandate.